Here's a question a 5-year-old can answer. Which is bigger, 9.11 or 9.9? Ask one of the most powerful AI models on Earth, and it will often tell you with total confidence that 9.11 is bigger. It's wrong. And the reason it's wrong tells you something deep about how these models actually think. This went viral for a reason. People typed the exact same question into model after model, and over they got the same answer. 9.11 is the bigger number. Not a typo, not a one-off. A confident, wrong, grade school mistake from a system that can write code and pass the bar exam. Let's be clear about why this is strange. 9.9 is the same as 9.90, and 90 hundredths is plainly more than 11 hundredths. A cheap calculator never misses this. So why does a model trained on a good chunk of the internet trip over a question from second-grade math?
Here's the key. The model is not doing arithmetic. It never computes anything. All it does is predict the next chunk of text, one piece at a time, from patterns it saw in training. So when you ask which number is bigger, it isn't comparing values at all. It's guessing what words usually come next. That's a completely different machine from a calculator. It matches patterns, it doesn't compute. And it gets worse because the model never even sees the number 9.11. Before anything happens, text is broken into tokens, little chunks. A number like 9.11 usually gets split into 3 pieces, 9, then a dot, then 11. 9.9 splits into 9.9. So when it looks at the part after the dot, it isn't holding decimals at all. It's holding the chunk 11 and the chunk 9. Now the trap snaps shut. After the dot, it has the chunk 11 and the chunk 9. As whole numbers, 11 beats 9, so it fires a pattern it has seen a million times. Bigger digits after the dot mean a bigger number, so 9.11 wins.
But why is that pattern so strong? Because of where the model read these numbers. Think about software versions. Version 9.11 really does come after 9.9. Same with book sections and chapter numbers. Same with dates in September. Across millions of pages, the sequence 9.9, then 9.11 shows up as a perfectly normal order. The model learned the wrong lesson very well. So what's the actual right way? Line the two numbers up and pad them to the same length. 9.11 stays 9.11. 9.9 becomes 9.90. Now compare place by place. The whole parts tie at 9. Then the tenths. 1/10 versus 9/10. 9/10 is more, full stop. 9.9 is the bigger number, and it isn't close.
And this isn't one embarrassing bug to laugh at and move on. It's a whole family. The same pattern matching stands in for arithmetic everywhere, multiplying big numbers, comparing other decimals, counting letters in a word. Whenever the answer needs real calculation instead of a familiar pattern, a pure text predictor is on thin ice. So how do you fix it? 2 ways. 1, make it slow down and show its work, step by step. Asked to reason out loud, the model lines up the decimals and gets it right. 2, and better, don't ask it to do the math at all. Hand the numbers to a real calculator tool and let the model just read the answer back. Step back, and this little fail teaches the biggest thing about today's AI. It predicts text brilliantly, and it does not calculate. So trust it for language, but give it a calculator, code, or a database for anything that needs a hard answer. Want to watch this yourself? It's interactive on unwrote.com. Link in the description.
Quick recap. 1, the model isn't doing math. It's predicting the next chunk of text. 2, numbers get split into tokens. So after the dot, it compared 11 against 9 like whole numbers. And its training is full of versions and dates where 9.11 really does come later. 3, the fix is to make it reason step by step, or better, hand the math to a tool. That's why AI thinks 9.11 beats 9.9. It's matching patterns, not doing arithmetic. The full interactive version is on unwrote.com. This is Unwrote. Understand it, don't memorize it.